You know, one of the things we want to do next is to see what else is there, say beyond Enceladus, and then maybe features there where we are not yet fully able to identify easily because they are much more extended. Yeah.
But Enceladus has gone many, many times around the galaxy.
Yes.
And it still remembers.
Well, what you see here, it's very clear. It's very extended, right? So in energy, and in fact, I think if you see this plot here, you see this structure here is very, very extended.
Right.
You can ask yourself, is there something else here? We're trying to investigate there. What is there here? And the interface, it's a bit tricky to do. So I think we have to go back to the simulations, also including gas. I think that will be an important aspect of all of this, to really fully pin down how this happened and what kind of effects did it have on the Milky Way itself and so on.
Okay, last question.
Okay. Yeah, the globular clusters are being associated with mergers, and you said, will there be more future globular clusters associated with mergers, or is there like a disk community, as you said?
No, there is definitely. If you look at the H metallicity, you see the H metallicity relation of the clusters. These clusters really have disk-like orbits, and you can trace them. You can actually find old clusters here that have disk-like orbits. So they really belong to the Milky Way, as it were.
What is their dynamic origin then? Is that just the formation of the...
Yeah, good question. I don't know how you form clusters. Yeah, I mean, like these. I don't know if they formed during the merger, they formed before the merger. I suspect some of the clusters probably formed because of the merger that was happening. But we don't yet have a good idea of how you would, figure that out. But that would be very, very interesting. I agree. Yes.
Okay, so we're ending on a future full of possibilities. Thank you for coming. Let's thank Amina again.
Following up on that, the mass of the streets is not very much. Adding streams, put it away, the total number of the Milky Way is still dominant.